So to switch over the databases from the Windows 11 to Windows 10 machine, I'm going to have to set up a Microsoft Server or SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Studio on the new machine. So I'm going to go ahead and download that from Microsoft. And from free account, SQL Server. Preview SQL Server 25, try SQL Server. So let's go ahead and download the exe. Okay, fill out the information, yada yada, download now. Alright, first thing to do, download Microsoft's SQL Server. There's SQL Server 2025. I know that there was SQL 2022, I believe. Let's get 2022 because I believe that that's what I'm going to go with 2025. And whatever Microsoft tries to sell me, I'll just tell them thank you, but no thanks. I'll keep the free version. So I'm going to download 2025. Alright, I am going to go ahead and go with the basic 2025 RC1 edition, accept, put it right where it always, the default, wait for that to extract, and okay, when it's finished, you'll see this evaluation edition, or you'll see the installation has completely been successful, and you'll have your instance name, your SQL administrator, which is what you'll be using to log in, the features installed, and the version. So go ahead and install SSMS too, because I don't know what you're going to do with it without Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Oh, hold on. Popped up over here. Alright, so you go down to, I forget where it is. Oh, check your system requirements. SSMS 21 is the latest. So go ahead and download that or open it or install it. Ask you, do you want to? Okay. So, okay, you'll get pop-ups like this. Visual Studio installer. Just continue. All right, when that's complete, you'll see another pop-up of other components to install. It has the individual components you can install or not install. Tells you where it's going to install it, and it asks you what you'd like to install. I'm going to be doing everything because I do everything, coding, migration, and everything. But if not, if you don't want to do all that, then you can just do the individual ones. So then install while downloading. Click install while downloading. Download all the, install. And this will take a little while. So I'll see you right back here. While I'm waiting for this to install, I'm gonna go ahead and connect now. And a pop-up comes up here. And we're still downloading. The command prompt means if it shows up and it looks good, there's nothing wrong with it. It connected fine. It's finishing up. Installed. Perfect. Okay, done installing. The installation is completed and we're looking good. Now we have to restart. So stop the recording here. All right, so we're back up now. We have everything we need, I believe. First time you log in, it's a little weird. Oh, it's opening on here. All right, so let that open. Hold on. All right, so when you open it, you should come up with this sign into Microsoft SQL Server. You can sign in with GitHub or Microsoft. I usually use Microsoft. Actually, I'm gonna use GitHub just because I use GitHub, but typically use Microsoft. Use Google anyway, so I use Google for Microsoft anyway, huh? Too as well. Authorize. Open. Okay, you're being redirected. Authorize application. It'll take a minute. All right, so opening it up, this is the initial page usually. This pop-up comes up. We're excited to introduce new connection dialog. Would you like to try it out? Yeah, sure. As long as it's not going to cost me anything, why not? Get a free trial. You usually get a free trial version. Anyway. Alright, so first time you open it up, you'll get this pop-up here. I want you to name the server and find the instance. So go into server connections and see if you can find localhost in here. If you can find localhost, connect with that. If not, try clicking the trust certificate and we'll do localhost with the trust certificate. Okay, so that will be in your, this is the configuration manager. So now you have your, that's installing the SQL Server and the SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So now you have all of your tools here. You don't have any databases because you don't have any, you just set it up and there's no users. So we'll have to add that later. So for this now we have successfully installed that.